Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I just want to talk about date of birth, how to calculate the date of birth. But actually in previous video I already make a video on that, like to find out the actual day and actual month and actual year. But it is also usable from date of birth. Like if you look to the Harun Khan date of birth, you can see right over here the date of birth is 9/11 and 1980. So basically we has also confirmed from the date of birth, it is the year is 1980 and the month is September. But actually there's only the issue of day. But actually we didn't take it serious, like why we are just finding the day. But actually sometime we are sometime the company just want about like please calculate me the years of this one person, because we don't allow any person who are over 50 years or who are over 40 years, because they are not allowed the older, they are just allowed the youngest to their organization. So that's why if you want to calculate like this, so how to do and how to calculate this one. So actually right now first of all I just want to give you some important detail, like your computer date should be correct. Like right now I'm making the video on 9/24 and 2023, but you should first of all check out your date, because this formula work according to your computer. So if you correct your date, so this formula will be work automatically correctly. So right now and the second thing is like if you look to the date of birth, you should write a first day, and the second one should you should write the month, and the second one should be day, and the third one should be a year. It is the rule of computer, and you can also change from your setting. Like if you write on the type here to search on your computer, so you should you can also change this one system from here. But right now if you are facing with the computer, so first of all you should write a month, and the second one should be a day, and the third one should be a year. So right now I'm directly going to be and write a formula, and I just want to calculate the days, months and years according to their date of birth. So you can see I just want to press first of all equal, and it is important to press equal for every function and for every formula. And right now I'm just write the date if, and once again I just open the bracket and select the date of birth of one person. And right now I just want to put the comma, and right now I just give a command to the computer, please write me calculate the date of this one person according to day. And if you are use the computer tomorrow, so the days will be automatically changed, because the computer automatically traces everything according to your computer. The Excel automatically traces your computer as well. And right now I just want to open write the double coded, and write here the day D, and once again I just close on the double coded, and once again I just close the bracket and just press the enter. So you can see according to the date of birth, the days is almost 15,718, almost there's only 15,718 days according to this one date of birth. You just do same like same process for month as well, but only the main thing is you just put the M in the place of day, so your date will be calculated correctly. So you can see I just want to click on the comma, and once again I just going to give the command, please calculate me the date of birth according to day. Like if you I just want to be know the date of birth and months of this one person up to this date, so that's why. And right now I just want to press the comma and open the double coded, and once again I just want to press the month and double coded, and once again I just want to close the bracket and enter the button. So you can see it is almost 516 months from this one date of birth. And right now I just want to write the years of this one person. But right here here's only also there's one trick, like if you just want the months, like only just month in, like in 12 months how much months are, so you can also calculate like this. You should write first of all D and give a space and press enter. Right now you no need to give up space and just click the enter. You can also do like this, but it is not necessary because this is also mentioned in the main date of birth. You can see it is the month is September, and you just do, if you want to do like this, so you just do on this one formula. And right now once again I'm just back to the years, and you can see the I just want to calculate the years from the main date of birth, and we'll just once again just open the bracket, and I just want to click on the main date of birth and press the comma, and once again I just want to press and give the command to the computer. And if you are open this one computer tomorrow, the date will be automatically changed because the Excel are trace your computer every day. So right now I just want to click and press the comma, and once again open the double quoted and press right here just Y, and once again I just want to close on the double quoted and press the close bracket, and I just want to press the enter, and you can see almost 43 years from that date of birth. So if you want to do same like this for others, so you just look to the corner right corner at the bottom, and the cursor are going to be black and dark, and you just going to go and double click on that, so automatically the all days and all months will be calculated automatically for all of you. So this is how can you work on the computer, and how can you work on Excel, and how can you find the date of birth, their months, day and years, and days, months, years. So this is how can you work on that, and this is too easy for all of you to work like this, and it is too useful formula for all of you. So if you are facing the issue, so I already told about that, you should write first a month, and second should be a date, and the third one should be a year. So this is if you do, and if you arrange like this, so your date will be accurately calculated by Excel, and as well as the Excel correctly trace your computer as well. So thank you so much, thanks for watching, see you next video.